Hello from Cookbook Divas. My name is Carrie and I live in Seattle where we like to pretend we have an endless summer. Our summers actually can stretch into October because it'll be still in the 70s if it's not raining. So I thought I'd look through the Endless Summer Cookbook because I still have all of August ahead of me. It's by Katie Lee and I feel like I should know who that is. Was she a celebrity? Food Network star something? 2018 this came out. Someone left some crumbs in it from their library book. It's kind of rude. Okay. Endless Summer Cookbook, Katie Lee. Photography by somebody I can't read because it's in cursive. It's hard to read. See what I mean? What? Oh, the beach. I've not been to the beach in a long time and I live a 40-minute drive from it, so I should. Let's check out the chapters. Morning fuel, light meals, burgers, tacos, and pizza. Cocktail hour, oh hello, dinner, sides, and desserts. Well, this will be fun. Okay, introduction, la la la, summer, lucky her, she lives in the Hamptons. Okay, here's some interesting pictures. Morning fuel, okay, what do we make in the mornings on the beach? We make grilled donuts with melted Nutella or with ricotta and honey. Yum, okay. Breakfast bread. That looks good. Huevos rancheros. Ah, we make those here on the West Coast too. Yum. Smoothies, triple coconut waffles, strawberry kiwi quinoa, breakfast parfait. That was kind of hard to say. Okay. Whoa. Rolled shrimp, goat cheese, and dill omelet. I would not have thought of putting shrimp in there. Of course, that's because I'm a vegetarian, but you might have thought of it. Okay, now we're in light meals. Perfect for summer. Here's the author eating tomatoes. Okay, how about cornbread panzanella? I've only had panzanella twice and I liked it so much and I thought I wouldn't because is the bread gooey? Here's green gazpacho and I assume red gazpacho. Chilled beet soup with yogurt and pepitas. Vietnamese beef and noodle salad bowls, good for summer. Salad niçoise, Chinese chicken salad. Someone was not careful with this library book and they spilled food all over it. Late summer farro, butternut squash, and arugula salad. And lobster Rubens. Wow. Let's get to the next chapter. Burgers and tacos. BLT ranch burgers. Shrimp burger. Tacos. Any interesting tacos? Steak tacos, adobo chicken tacos, grilled smoky tofu tacos, fish tacos. Nothing too groundbreaking. Now we have grilled pizza. We must have snuck into a different chapter. Cocktail hours next. Woohoo! Here she is with the cocktail in the Hamptons. Ooh! An Aperol Spritz. Prosciutto wrapped figs and gorgonzola to go with it. Deviled egg spread, black bean and peach salsa scoops. Cherry Lily Blanc Spritz. Not a lot of pictures. Picture of corn, but I'd rather have a picture of the corn fritters it's talking about. And there's no picture. And there's something called a painkiller, coconut shrimp, mojito slushies. I need more pictures. Dinner. Here's the author holding some food on a plate. How about, oh, cute. Cuban turkey in the caja china with sweet and sour pineapple marmalade. I don't know what that means. Okay. Tuna with formesco sauce, grilled chicken parmesan, grilled lamb chops. I'd rather have pictures of more of the food, less of the author, but she's lovely. Okay. Grilled hanger steaks with jalapeno butter, and someone left a bookmark that I'm going to take out because this is a library book. Throw that away. Middle Eastern spiced spatchcock chicken with harissa yogurt. Hoisin ginger pork chops. This is getting very Asian influenced. Ooh, skillet paella. Yes, because who has room to store a paella pan? And here's the dog Fionnuala. Cute. Roasted halibut with tomato caper relish. West Virginia style hot dogs. Wow, no idea what that's going on. Now we're in the sides chapter. Another picture of the author. Corn pudding and apricot herb couscous. I would have loved to see a picture of them. Sad times. Bourbon bacon slaw and all-American potato salad. I'm glad this has a potato salad recipe. Another picture of the author at the market, but not a picture of the zucchini and squash bake, that there's a recipe for it. Here's a picture of quinoa tabbouleh, something I would buy at Whole Foods and not make myself because life is short. Moroccan carrots. Now that looks worth making. That looks amazing. Yum. The ingredients, as you can imagine, are carrots, cumin, paprika, cinnamon, cayenne, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, parsley, salt and pepper, and harissa. What I would have figured. Green and wax bean salad. So we're getting to the end. Summer is best served with a bottle of rosé. That is so true. Desserts. Okay, fruit, strawberry brownie cake. Nice to share with company. Great grandmother's pearls, angel food cake with peaches and cream. That sounds amazing. Kiwi blueberry pavlova. That's inventive. Love it. And you'll have to get the cookbook and look at the rest of the recipes for yourself. So that was Endless Summer Cookbook. I would have preferred more photos of the actual dishes, but it was lovely. I'm glad I looked through it. You can see more of our cookbook look-throughs, reviews, previews, and sneak peeks at Cookbook Divas on our blog. We have a podcast for those of you that like to listen. We're on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Be sure to click like, comment on things that you like so that the algorithms will show you more of our videos. Bye!